Hey, this week's math lesson will build on some of the area that we did earlier in the year. And we're going to talk quickly about volume, but we're going to move on to surface area. So what we have here is a rectangular prism. And the cool thing about this website, which I've shared with you, is that you can click it to fold it up to create the prism. And then click it to unfold it after. And it tells us that it has a width of 4, a depth of 5, and a height of 3 over here on the left. And the cool thing about this is you can add in cubes individually, like this, or entire rows, or you can build in layers. So you can actually physically see the volume here, where it has a height of 3 in the purple, and it has a width of 4, which is along this side here. And then it has a depth of 5, which is going back this way. Now, you could relabel these. You could say this is the length and that this is the width and that this is the height. Any of those things work. So I'm just going to clear that off. So determining the volume, we've already covered. I'm going to do a quick recap here. But our volume is measured in cubes. So it's how many of those cubes that we put inside the box a few minutes ago. So it's going to be 4 cubes by 3 cubes by 5 cubes. So we take 4 times 5 to get 20, and then 20 times 3 to get 60, and it would be 60. Let's call these centimeters, 60 cubic centimeters. I should type in 60 there and check that. And that is correct. Now, surface area is different. And the way to do surface area is to look at the net. So here we're looking at how many of these 6 sides have squares. And we're counting up all the squares in the 6 sides. The thing that we can speed ourselves up with is that the purple area and the orange area are going to be the same. The blue area and the red area are going to be the same. And the gray area and the green area are going to be the same. So let's add these up. So here we have a rectangle that is 4 by 3. So that's 12 centimeters there, square. The orange one will be the same. That's 12. So that's 24 for those two. This one here is 3 by 5 for 15. And the blue one will also be 15. So the 15 here and the 15 here are 30. Plus we had our 24, and we're at 54. Now we're going to look at the base, and the base is 4 by 5, so that's 20, and this one's going to be 20. So we get another 40. So in total, 12 and 12 is 24, 15 and 15 is 30 to get us to 54, and then another 40 will get us to 94, and it's 94 square, 94 squared, a centimeter squared. So that's how you would denote that. So in Knowledge Hook, I've got a bunch of questions. I start way back with some basic area and then move you forward. To teach you how to find the surface area of a triangular prism, I'm going to include this video here for you that walks you through the same steps. And it's tricky because the triangle, of course, is going to be base times height divided by 2. But really what you can do is say base times height, and then don't count this one. Then because you're going to divide it by 2 and then multiply it by 2, you might as well skip that step. All right, so play around on this cubes program. I've given you the link for this. Watch this video, and then when you're ready, try the questions I've given you in Knowledge Hook. There's quite a few of them, so it'll give us a good chance to see how you're doing in this region here. Reach out with any questions you might have. All right, thanks.